Okay, so now we're already in example number 2. So in example number 2 is find a p-value and decide if you will reject or fail to reject the given. Okay, so find the p-value for a left-tailed hypothesis test. Standardized test statistics is z is equal to negative 2.23. You will decide whether to reject the null hypothesis with a given level of significance is 0.01. So let us write here as z is equal to negative 2.23 and the level of significance is equals to 0.01. Now, we need to find the p-value of z. So p is what to the level of significance. Okay? So now, to check the level of significance, and this is the left tail test, you have two options. It's either you will go at the back of your book on the table where you need to find the negative 2.2 and then 3 is on the column, or you can go directly in this 7.2 with this. Okay, so this is the easiest way to find the exact value. So the question here is level of significance is 0.01. So where is 0.01? So this is 0.01. Now, what is the given statement? What is the tail? The tail is to the left. So you will look at the left. The exact value is negative 2.33. So negative 2.33. So better if you will draw a line. Okay, so this is a normal distribution. Then this is your shaded region. The shaded region means that this is the rejection region. And what is the value? Negative 2.33. Okay? Where did you get this? From your level of significance. Then, check. What is your z? Z is negative 2.23. 23. Where can you see negative 2.23? Is it on the left side, inside the shaded region, or outside the rejection region? So, since this is negative 2.23, negative 2.23 is somewhere here, which is outside the rejection region. So, if that is outside the rejection region, you will fail to reject the null hypothesis.